It reminds us so much of when we were in Hawaii some years ago when the volcano was erupting. You could walk out and you had to have good shoes because the lava was hot. Some giant just spilled black pudding everywhere, and these little fragile things grow in the rock. Really rough lava. Someone was using the spatula, getting it out of the bowl. The grain is pretty cool. You can see how it kind of puddled. This tree grew in lava. I do not know. Pretty cool little trail. The little puddles. You can see the movement of the lava as it spilled out like pudding, hot pudding. This is somebody's thrown picnic knife.